Hello folks, this is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you this 2002 Yamaha Warrior. This is a bad to the bone motorcycle. It's 1670 cc's. It's an air-cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. Bike's got inverted forks, dual front disc brakes, aluminum spoke mag wheels, good tire up front, almost new. It's got these drag bar style pullback handlebars on it. It's very comfortable. Forward mount foot controls. It's been upgraded with some Cobra exhausts. A little bit of discoloration on that one there on the top. An excellent tire on the back as well. A few little spots on it, little scratches and rock pecks. You can see a couple little scratches here on the tank. There's some little rock pecks up here on the front of the tank, and then a couple little pecks around here on the front fender. The bike runs really well, and the Yamaha Warrior is a fun bike to ride. This one is a belt drive. Very with the forward mount foot controls and those drag bars. I'm about 5'11". This bike just fits me perfect. Bike just weighs about 600 pounds, so it's got enough weight for the road. And the way that it's set up, it's got a nice low center of gravity, makes it really balanced and easy to handle. The decal here on the tank is starting to wear a little bit. It's got a few miles on it. Let's come up here and turn that key on. You can see where the key rubbed up in here. It's discolored the aluminum a little bit there on a triple tree. There's a couple of scratches on the dash. It's got 30,762 miles on it. So whoever had this bike, they rode it. It doesn't smoke, doesn't make any kind of engine noise. Runs really strong. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or go online and see our complete inventory of good quality used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. There's the link in the description below this video that will carry you right to the site. This bike's been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and safety checked, and it's ready to ride. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'll be very easy to get this bike to you. Take almost anything with wheels on it in on trade, so give us a call toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.